Gusta mo ba nang bahay? Na malapit sa rainforest ng Mount Makiling. Tara na sa Terraza de Lorenzo residence, located at Barangay Puting Lupa, City of Calamba. It only takes 9 minutes or 4.2 kilometers from Yakult, Calamba to Terraza de Lorenzo. Now let's take a tour on Amara townhouse model. This is a complete finished upon turnover. It has a lot area of 84 square meter and floor area of 52 square meter, with perimeter fence and gate. Tara pasig tayo. Ang ganda talaga. Spacious living room. At nakatiles at painted walls na din. Kitchen and sink combo finished na din. Tamang tama kay Disney princess. Service area. Toilet and bathroom first floor. Tara akyat tayo. It has 2 rooms and 1 toilet and bath. Let's check it out. Welcome to our first room. The air's so fresh and windy. I feel Tagaytay vibes. Di ko na need mag aircon. Second room. Second floor bathroom and toilet. The amenities are very good. It has guarded entrance gate, clubhouse, basketball court, parks, and kids playground.